Hi, welcome back to Weekly Updates with Frantic. We got 3 heavy-hitting stories for you once again, but first a little bit of news on the show itself. Along with news from Frantic itself, we're also going to be covering news from throughout the tech industry, focusing on controversies, events, and other news tidbits throughout the week. First, we're going to talk about Frantic's new logo concepts. If you've seen the F-Cloud is changing video, go watch that after this. You'll know what I'm talking about here. Frantic has pretty much pivoted F-Cloud to becoming an entirely new service, and I think it's time for a new logo. These are some final concept logos for Frantic and F-Cloud, and will likely go into production sometime later this month. I'm curious to know your feedback about these logos, so please let me know in the comments below. Microsoft Build 2024 brings Copilot to where some say it shouldn't be. Microsoft has made several announcements at its Build 2024 conference this week. They announced some new Surface devices, a new standard of AI PC called Copilot Plus PC, but namely, they're bringing Copilot to the Windows desktop. This caused a small stir among privacy enthusiasts, saying, "That ain't artificial intelligence, that's a videotape, that's a security camera." This new Windows feature basically takes a screenshot of your PC anytime the pixels change enough and puts that into Copilot. So you could ask it, "Hey, where did I store that new logo file?" And it could tell you where instead of you having to search for it manually. Microsoft says they're storing these screenshots on device, but people are still worried about how Microsoft could be using these. F-Cloud's stage 1 of development is almost done. Internally, F-Cloud's builds are chunked into 5 different stages, this first stage being the meta stage. This stage is all about onboarding, accounts, logon, all that kind of stuff, payment processing. After this stage, we'll dive right into categories that users will find their cloud resources. Since F-Cloud is a multi-cloud management platform, and all of these platforms have their own version of products that do more or less the same thing, it'd be kind of confusing to group things by product name, wouldn't it? That's why we decided to group these products into categories depending on what they do. For example, one category we offer is storage, meaning that we would group together Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and F-Cloud Cloud Store into one single category. One more mini topic for you, add-ons in F-Cloud. F-Cloud has finally figured out how pricing is going to work. Basically, F-Cloud's pricing is split 2 different ways, services and add-ons. Services are, services that F-Cloud provides. A good example of this is F-Cloud Cloud Store, and that's priced at 1 cent per gigabyte. It's on a pay-as-you-go basis. Add-ons are exactly what they sound like. They're add-ons that make F-Cloud better. One add-on we provide is the Google Cloud add-on. This lets you bring resources from Google Cloud into F-Cloud for management, visibility, and deployment, all that stuff. These add-ons make managing your cloud resources across platforms way easier. So you don't have to switch tabs or remember what platform you deployed what on. These add-ons have their own pricing separate from services, like the GCP add-on, which is billed at $5 a month. This is subject to change in the future though. That's it for this week's updates. We've covered lots of things, from F-Cloud's new logo to Microsoft Build 2024 and our new add-ons. We're thrilled to share these updates and can't wait to hear about your feedback about our new logo. If the news about Microsoft Copilot intrigues or concerns you, let us know, we'd love to hear about it. And of course, stay tuned for more development updates on F-Cloud as we move closer to stage 2 of development. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another update from Frantic again. We'll be back next week for more updates from Frantic and the tech industry at large. Take care and stay frantic.